Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. After months of speculation, the long-awaited DJI Mavic 4 Pro is finally coming into view. Drone enthusiasts, professional filmmakers, and hobbyists have been eagerly waiting for updates on this next-generation aerial powerhouse. With the official launch just around the corner, fresh leaks have surfaced, revealing key specifications, upgraded features, and game-changing advancements in DJI's consumer drone lineup. In this in-depth breakdown, we will explore the final product design, major enhancements, and when you can expect to get your hands on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. DJI Mavic 4 Pro release date and official reveal. Mark your calendars. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is slated for an official release this spring, with reports pointing to an April 20th unveiling. This information, shared by DroneXL, includes leaked renders that showcase the sleek design and technological refinements of DJI's latest drone. Over the past few months, various images and videos have hinted at potential upgrades, but now we have confirmation of what could be DJI's most advanced consumer drone to date. Design and structural enhancements. One of the most prominent improvements in the Mavic 4 Pro is its re-engineered aerodynamic propeller system. The newly designed propellers feature a quick-release mechanism, optimizing airflow while preventing dust and moisture from impacting the motors. Additionally, DJI has reinforced the structure with enhanced rubber bumpers on all four arms, ensuring better durability during landings. A small rubber foot has also been added to stabilize the drone on various surfaces. Another standout upgrade is the inclusion of an advanced LiDAR sensor, improving obstacle detection and flight precision. This sensor, positioned on the drone's right arm, closely resembles the one found on the DJI Air 3. With improved low-light capabilities, the Mavic 4 Pro is set to excel in nighttime operations and complex environments where precision is crucial. Revolutionary camera system. A cinematic game-changer. The Mavic 4 Pro raises the bar with a professional-grade, Hasselblad-branded triple camera system. This upgraded setup is expected to revolutionize aerial photography with its versatility and superior image quality. Here's what to expect. 4 of 3 CMOS sensor. Equipped with electronic ND filters for optimal image clarity and dynamic range. 50mm medium telephoto lens. Ideal for capturing mid-range cinematic shots with precision. 166mm long telephoto lens. Offers extensive zoom capabilities without sacrificing image sharpness. With these camera advancements, the Mavic 4 Pro will provide filmmakers and content creators with unparalleled creative flexibility, allowing for seamless transitions between different focal lengths. Extended flight time and intelligent battery system. Battery performance has always been a crucial factor for drone pilots, and DJI has taken it to the next level with the Mavic 4 Pro. According to recent leaks, the drone will boast an impressive 50-minute flight time, a substantial increase from its predecessor. This means users can capture extended footage without frequent battery swaps, making it ideal for professionals working on long aerial projects. Price and availability. Is it worth the investment? With cutting-edge features and an unmatched camera system, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come with a premium price tag. Industry insiders predict a starting price of around $2,800, making it a significant investment for serious drone users. While this price might seem steep, it is justified by the groundbreaking enhancements, including superior aerodynamics, extended battery life, and state-of-the-art obstacle detection. DJI expanding the Mavic 4 series. More than just one drone. In an exciting twist, DJI is not just launching a single Mavic 4 Pro model. Reports suggest that DJI will introduce 3 different variants in the Mavic 4 lineup, catering to diverse needs and professional demands. Additionally, a special cinema edition will be available, specifically optimized for high-end cinematography. This demonstrates DJI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of drone technology for filmmakers and industry professionals. What's next for DJI? The DJI Avata 3 rumors. As DJI prepares to launch the Mavic 4 Pro, speculation is already growing around its next FPV drone, the DJI Avata 3. Building on the success of the Avata 2, this next-gen FPV drone is rumored to bring major enhancements in camera performance, battery life, and obstacle avoidance. Key expected features of the DJI Avata 3. Larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. Improved image quality, color depth, and low light performance. Extended battery life. Potential flight time increases from 23 minutes to nearly 30 minutes. Upgraded stabilization system. enhanced electronic image stabilization and a possible mechanical gimbal, omnidirectional obstacle detection, a 360-degree avoidance system for safer flights in complex environments, advanced O4 transmission system, lower latency, improved resolution, and extended range. The Avata 3 is anticipated to revolutionize the FPV drone market, making it a top choice for both freestyle pilots and professional aerial videographers. Final thoughts. A new era for drone technology. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most powerful and innovative drones ever released. With its state-of-the-art triple camera system, extended flight time, and advanced obstacle detection, it is poised to redefine aerial cinematography. Meanwhile, the excitement around the Avata 3 suggests that DJI is continuing to push the limits of FPV drone technology. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more updates, and stay tuned for the latest drone news.